This is Convoy L21B and I have configured this with SFT90. So let's quickly unbox this together and see what we get. Hello everyone, welcome to EDC Glue and Gears. Today we have Convoy L21B with SFT90. Let's quickly unbox this. So this is a 20 amp buck driver with 12 group mode. So here we have the L21B. The build quality is good, as I've already told you. So I have this. This is another color, which is kind of a champagne gold, though it's called tan on the website. But I feel this looks more like a champagne gold. So I really like it. So here we have the SFT90. So let's remove this. Okay, so let's see the emitter. So here we have SFT90 with a very smooth reflector, and the reflector is also very deep. Also the finish is very good. So let's remove this for now. So one thing I noticed that with all Convoy flashlight, Convoy provides you this lanyard, which you can remove or you can use it depending on your use case. Okay, so here we have it. So it comes with a reverse switch, and you can actually tail stand this because of the crown is higher than the button. All right, so let's remove the battery insulator. We have the EVE 50PL high discharge rate battery. Here's the 12 group 20 amp buck driver, and as this is a 20 amp, you get a post and not a spring. So the non-anodized part or the thread goes towards the head. The threading is really good. There is no screeching. It goes really smooth. So the operation remains the same. You full press to turn it on, half press to cycle through this, and if you click quickly, you can actually go through the mode, or half press to cycle through the mode. So this is currently set to group 10, which has 1, 10, 35 and 100%. So level 1, 2, 3, 4 will be much easier for us to go through it. So let's quickly go outside and see how this performs. So this is Convoy L21B with SFT90 and a very smooth deep reflector. I have put this in group 10. So we will have 1%, 10%, 35% and 100%. So I'll just call it level 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So let's start with level 1. So this is level 1. And it is pushing almost to the end of the park. So this is the first level, second level, and the second level is pretty bright. We can probably use this most of the time. This is level 3. Wow, this is quite bright. We have the pole here, and easily we are able to reach the end of the park, and we can easily see the tree outside. So this is level 4, the full brightness, and this is really good. This is really good. So here we have first tree, the second tree. It has a really nice hotspot and a very good spill. We have the pole, and it's pushing far beyond the limit of what I was expecting. So you can see the end of the property. So let me quickly take a walk and show you around. Level 2. Level 3. Sorry, that was level 4. This is level 4. And this thing is good. This thing is really, really good. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and this is level 4. Now the head is getting hot, which is kind of expected from a SFT90. But I am impressed with this host, which is L21B. I'm really, really impressed with this host. All right, so let's head back inside. Okay, so you saw the Beamshot and it was really good. So the SFT90 is a really powerful emitter, and especially if it is paired with such a deep, smooth reflector, it does perform really well. I would give you a heads up that it does get hot, really hot, when you push it for the level 4. So just be mindful. But I think level 2 and level 3 is more than enough for everyday use, because those levels are pretty bright, and I was able to easily see the park with level 2 and level 3, and level 4 was blindingly bright, and it has a really good throw, as the reflector is pretty deep, so you can see the depth of the reflector, and the emitter is probably sitting around this section. I wish I had a thermal camera so that I could show you when it is on. You could easily feel this area is getting hot first. So yeah, I wish I can get a thermal camera soon. So no worries. So let me know how do you like this. If you have any other flashlight which you want to see this L21 go up against and do a comparison of these two, so I'll be more than happy to get it done. So let me know, how do you like it? If you like it, please like and subscribe. If you have anything to share, please do comment. I'll be more than happy to read and answer. If you want to share this video with your friends and family so that we can grow together, please go ahead and do that. So thank you so much for watching. You have a great day, and I see you in the next one.